Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video on the View into Huck's World. And listen up, people, I couldn't let the day go by without giving you a freebie, right? And this one is a nice freebie. This one definitely gets my stamp of approval. And on top of it all, it's free for the taking. And you know Tina gets down. So if you're gonna have a casual weekend and or a super casual weekend, this is gonna be the watch face that you wanna have on your wrist. And trust, it's not gonna cost you anything, but you gotta download ASAP because I don't know how long it's going to be free. Let's take a look at this watch face. First of all, it's called Tina Dial 760. I thought Tina did a beautiful job in executing such a nice, casual, everyday watch face. Now, in AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same design, just going to be dimmed down. It's going to have a great look. But when the watch face is on, I like this sporty look to this watch face. Definitely for a casual wear, depending on the outfit that you have on, this one is going to look great on your wrist. I like the look of the hands. You got nice red tips blended in with some silver. I like the background design as well. Really brings out what's going around the bezel of the watch, makes it stand out quite a bit. You're gonna get your date, you're gonna get your heart rate information. Now for your steps, you're not gonna actually get your step count, but if you have a step goal completed, set on your phone, that's gonna give you the information on where you are so far as completing your goal. Now you know what I say about a second hand that's going around smoothly around any watch face. Yes, it screams premium all day long. Your battery info is going to be down at the bottom. You're going to have everything you need on this watch face to execute an awesome look on your wrist. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. The weekend is right around the corner. Question is, are you ready? All right, you all, don't forget to hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.